They say marriages are made in heaven. The coming together of two unique individuals is once in a lifetime event. On this particular podcast, I bring to you the story of an eco sensitive couple who chose the path less traveled on the biggest day of their lives by planning a carbon neutral wedding. I had some of the best time recording this particular episode, and I'm sure you also will love every minute of it. So, check it out, guys.
Imagine living in a world with temperatures around 400 degrees Celsius, same as that of Venus. Imagine if fishing never existed because there are no marine animals. Well, that's how our grandchildren will be spending their 30s if we don't take care of the amount of carbon that we're emitting now. Now, this makes you worried, right? Don't worry. Let's hear it from the man behind a carbon neutral wedding, a sustainable analyst, and an architect, and the founding partner of Building Zero Consultancy, Mr. Jian Patharwala.
Now,
Sure.
moving on to the topic that we all have been waiting to hear from you, and of course, your wedding. So, and for a guy like me, the moment we hear the word wedding, it's all like the concept of wedding fascinates me like nothing else. Uh, the whole ताम झाम शोर शराबा मतलब जब तक पूरे मोहल्ले में जो है वो तामझाम नहीं हो जाए पता ही नहीं चलना चाहिए कि शादी हो रही है कहीं पे.
Right,
So
right.
and then we meet, then we hear from people like you, Joe, who chose a very different path actually, and your wedding about like the biggest day of your life, and you chose to make it, organize it in such a way that will make a difference to not only the society but the entire earth actually. Can we have your
Definitely.
better half on the show, please?
Yeah, she was seated right here. She was waiting for the moment.
Yes.
Guys, this is Alifia. She's my wife. I
Tell us
was,
from the beginning, how did the concept actually began?
Thank you so much for having us here. Really enjoyed that talk. Like it
yeah,
was very new for me to learn about sustainability and architecture, and he was really blank in that all root canal field and being a dentist, all the extraction part. So that was very new to him. So we enjoyed that. And we were in middle of something and talks, and there was this event like it was the first time that the some of company one of the companies
yeah,
proposed a carbon neutral event so that employees can understand that
mm,
footprint of carbon better.
yeah,
So that was the time when I said, okay, they are doing a carbon neutral event, why can't we do it?
yeah.
And since
So it was
marriage,
you first who initiated this discussion.
No, actually, I told
it was
her
new.
about it,
Yeah.
and then she was like that we can do this because we
Okay.
were discussing this same problem that ready to take action, even if they keep on saying, "Chalo, bhai, ye karo, wo karo." And then I was thinking, that this is how platforms I'm ever gonna get, and that is why we decided together. Then uh, let's do this because we might not have another chance, and not
Right.
as many people that we might be able to influence through this. So we just took a decision that one night. I don't know. We were having a long conversation about it.
So again, coming back to the like ethos of our country, like India. So marriages, like it has its own legacy of 40, 50 years, and somewhere like people made a rule 50, 60 साल पहले कि नहीं, society and sister, they all made a system कि शादियां ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए. They
Yeah.
set a like a style and all. But then we have people like you who chose to follow a different path and set an example कि minimum to minimum resources, maybe you can still plan a beautiful wedding. So
Yeah.
first of all, tell me what was the reaction of those elderly fellow older generation when you started discussing this idea with them?
I think
I,
I can let her go first.
Yeah.
I think that was a bit difficult, I would say, because when wedding comes, everybody have their emotions attached to the wedding. Both
Right.
the families, even mine and his families, both the families, and we have like for my side, I have got a huge family, so everybody's emotions attached to it, and we say, no, no, we don't want to do this. So everybody's like, what? Then how will it be a wedding? It will be just like a court marriage. No, we were like, no. Then we explained everybody. So what the concept was and how it can be enhanced and how it can set an example for others. So that was the whole story behind it.
So, I mean, we started. So you said that influencing others was obviously a big task for us because firstly we had to explain them what it is really and what all we'll be doing. So I had to sit down and make some like now like you do for the clients. I had to make a presentation saying that this is
Oh,
something that
really?
we do. Yeah, I actually have that presentation still. So it's like I
We
was.
would love to hear that presentation sometime in future.
Yeah, I mean, see, because I did that, my parents and everyone understood it so well that when they were explaining it to their friends that you need to participate and this is something that your role is,
Hmm.
uh, they started coming out with suggestions because they understood that term much better. And they're like, uh, I remember this moment where we were discussing about what glasses we need to have and the plate sizes because the larger plate size you have, the more food people take, and they don't realize whether they want to have it or not. So the
Yes,
smaller
and
sizes
a
you
lot
have,
of them go into garbage.
Yeah.
exactly. Uh,
Also with that, I would just like to add that the amount of like or the variety of
yeah,
dishes that are in the wedding. So when we see a lot of food, half of the time we are not actually hungry, but we tend to eat because we have seen it
Right.
and we crave for it.
yeah,
So the amount of dishes were also very limited, such that people can enjoy those dishes very nicely, and there is a waste, like the wastage is also less. So that was our part behind it. We'll keep things like not so little of it, but a good variety, but a sustainable amount, so that everyone can enjoy and it doesn't go for wastage. Our main motive was not to waste the food, and with this like for this plate size and glasses, especially the plate size, at the end of the day we were amused by the
yeah.
amount of food that was saved, and very minimal, I would say not even 2% was wasted.
Not that we
Then
were not capable, but it's just that the stand sometimes that you take, it makes. So if you live in a society, this is like a very major thing that उसने इतना खर्चा किया तो मुझे भी करना पड़ेगा
Right.
because people
Simply
will
show
think
off
कि
kind of weddings.
हाँ
and
right,
when it comes to wedding, that things comes first. कि
yeah,
लोग क्या
exactly,
सोचेंगे?
yeah,
Oh, इतना
Right.
सा? So
yeah,
what will be the reaction of the
So,
people?
that makes me come to my next question. So, once you announced it's going to be a carbon neutral wedding, it's not just a statement. It's
yeah,
actually a huge responsibility on both parties. Actually,
yeah,
from the groom side, from the bride side as well. So, I'll come back to Alipia here. So, talking about your wedding and see, boys' family have different aspirations, but coming to the girl side, they have a whole set of larger aspiration की लड़की की शादी है भाई ये धूमधाम से होना चाहिए. So how challenging was it to convince your side of family to participate in a carbon neutral wedding and to use minimal resources at to its optimum level? Yeah.
Uh, so I would start with one small thing, that was the wedding card. So every time when the wedding card was given in my family of someone else's wedding, I used to think that लोग ये क्यों छपाते हैं कि खाली इसको एक बार देखे और डस्टबिन में डाल दे. आई हैड दैट नोशन सिंस वेरी लॉन्ग, सो आई वाज लाइक मुझे तो मेरी शादी में ऐसा नहीं करना है, कितना वेस्टेज क्यों करना. Because the wedding card is, even if we give the card, we personally call the people, and that is the type of emotion that is attached to the
Right.
people.
yeah,
Okay, कॉल करके बुलाया तो that will be a very good thing. And wedding card is like, okay, everybody knows, like my relatives and the family around me are very close, so they were like, okay, this is the time of the wedding, this is the day of the wedding, so everybody is going to know it, then why just to waste that amount of paper and
yeah,
keep it for degradation. So that was the first notion. So I was like, and even my family thought that it's justified, because the notion behind it was right, and rather I would say not right, but it was purposeful.
Yeah.
So there were initially few challenges, but when like Jian explained to his family and we both explained to our family, so my family also came up with the thing that ladki ki shadi, like you said, बहुत अरमान होते हैं, return gift तो देना ही पड़ता है, right? So for that return gift we arranged plants and trees. So basically I hail from like my hometown is a small place near Nagpur, and there I have my grandpa's house that is in the village. So we have got very huge space there, and our relatives have got huge. You might know that the bungalows in a smaller community have got bigger spaces for trees than the houses. So we arrange the wedding gift such that the people who are having larger spaces at their family can grow trees, actually trees.
Yeah,
So
they keep sending us photos as well now.
Yeah, even
It's
now they
almost
send
like
us.
1.5 years, and they keep sending us photos that आपके शादी का झाड़ हमारा इतना इतना grow हो गया है, and we feel that yeah, they'll always have that memory attached to it. So that's a very nice thing. Yeah.
So now I'll come back to Jian on. See, I know you guys are too much into financial side of things. Also, being a Gujarati, that runs in your blood. So,
Yeah.
like as comparing to a traditional wedding, did you see a kind of cost cutting happening in your carbon neutral wedding? And if that was so, in terms of percentage, how much was it?
I would say, I mean, the cost would have been at least down by 75%.
75%. You guys actually managed to save it.
And on top of that, whatever, we did not receive any gifts, we did not ask for it. And we said that whatever contribution you want to have for this project where we are funding trees and for the carbon neutral wedding, you can play your part, and you can we kept a box. We did not take any money on stage, and when people come and see you, so we kept a box at below the stage, and he said, "You put the money yourself, whatever you want to have, and that we'll utilize to grow the trees for 3 to 4 years until it becomes stable." So we went down to that extent. I mean, I do not even remember one gift that we received, because that was conveyed in the wedding card.
Yes.
Okay.
That this is something
And
that we
even before, like we had also conveyed that no gifts at my end. My family had also said to our relatives and
Yeah.
everybody that we don't require any gifts, or
Yeah.
rather you should not bring any gift, just the blessings and whatever
Yeah.
part you want to play. That's it.
And I think 75% is what I'm telling you, because see, the number of events that actually happen around the wedding are too many, and then as well as the guests which come and stay at the hotel and all of that,
Right.
you add up to that expense as well. क्योंकि आप 5,000 रुपए का एक रूम गिन लो या 10,000 गिनो, whatever that is, the number of nights increase by one. uh, you know the impact of how many guests come and where do they stay and everything. So the other concept was that you need to bring them so close that even if they can come by walking if they want to. So again, everything was planned in a way that we could have had another hotel which was 5 kilometers far, a much better one, but then we had to pick everyone up, and that would be involving the emissions of cars and everything. So we were very cautious in making that decision कि इनको नजदीक ही रखना है. And so that if there was two notion actually, one was about the carbon reduction, as well as the second was that if someone wants to go and rest in between, they don't have to go so far. Like I've seen weddings which are happening here in Bordod,
And
and
accommodation you put somewhere like 5 kilometers away.
not even five, somewhere down the line
Yeah.
15-20 kilometers.
Okay.
So आप वो बस की राह देखोगे कि आप कैसे जाओगे. आई मीन आई नेवर अंडरस्टूड दैट, बट ऐसा भी होता है. सो आई मीन वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट थिंग्स वाज दैट, आई मीन कि सबको नजदीक ही रखो, बिकॉज वी आल्सो अंडरस्टूड दैट द गेस्ट्स हु आर कमिंग for our wedding, only 10% are gonna come travel from far, because we stay in our own community. So everyone who has a house or a flat nearby, they'll come walking only, and that is why we chose a plot as well which was in the community only. We wanted, if we wanted, we could have gone outside and had a larger plot and everything. But then we
Right.
said that we want to do with this notion so that people don't use vehicles and they come by walking. And because the place of the wedding of, I mean, our nikah and reception was only 200 meters far, and
Oh
my
wow,
house
that's
was
nice.
also 100 meters far. So we could have actually walked to
Reception.
the reception as well as the wedding. But I mean, we had to go in a car because we brought that electric car as well.
Yeah, and
So
we did not have any kinds of
yeah,
floral decorations on the car.
yeah,
So it
nothing.
was
Okay.
one car was the green turf car that was just as a symbol,
Yeah,
for
it
the
is someone
greenness.
else's
Hmm.
car, but I mean, we wanted to spread that notion that you need to adopt green practices, and that was like a center of attraction that happened, and so many people actually shared the photo with the car as well.
Right. So that brings me to my next question. So for every couple, their wedding is not just 1 day or 2 day affair. It's actually
Yeah,
a very special moment to cherish for long time. And
yeah,
now, like I think 1.5 years ago it happened, right? It's been one and a
yeah.
half years. So now, when you look back at that particular ceremony, what are the memories that still stays back with you when you speak of relatives, friends? What was their reaction, their feedback after everything was organized so peacefully?
You want to take
Mm,
it?
okay. So, uh, firstly, they really wanted to be a part of it. They were excited because they did not know what all could happen on that day because we did not reveal everything.
Okay,
Okay.
and it was new for everyone actually.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
was new for everyone. So everyone thought कि चलो ये शादी में तो जाना ही पड़ेगा kind of a thing. कि देखते हैं इन लोगों ने क्या किया है. Because we
Acha.
because it came out in the newspapers that I was gonna have this
Yes,
kind of
I saw
wedding.
that newspaper article. Yeah.
Yeah. So it was like it became like a moment that we also had to prepare for and we because वो अगर नहीं होता तो वो लोग बोलते कि ये तो नॉर्मल शादी जैसा ही है
Hmm.
इसमें क्या नया किया आपने so that message had to come out really loud that you can have a wedding like that and the best part was not even the people who attended it but rather the people who followed our wedding like I saw at least three people who adopted the plans that we did after our wedding because they saw that they could do something like this. At
And
least
that
four to
digital
digital
invites.
invites. Yeah, I I think three
After
or
that
yeah
wedding, I don't see any cards in my home now. So
yeah
everyone who had the wedding after us, they all had the digital invites like we do. So we
yeah
cherish that thing. So that was a huge change because we could do it. They could look upon us and they could think, okay, इन्होंने किया है तो हम भी कर सकते हैं. Kind of that thing when it
Right.
comes to wedding.
yeah. And that was the I mean the final motive at my end was that same thing that at least someone picks it up and even in the smallest manners I'm happy with it like some change is happening and I'm really happy with it and i think i I think everyone remembers our wedding because
I
of the
would like to
concept
share
and
a
yeah
small thing here that after our wedding, so we were at home for dinner party with all our
Okay.
relatives, and one of
Hmm.
the small cousins. So her mom left some food in the plate, and she was like, "No, no, अपन जियान भैया के यहाँ है. We cannot leave food here.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to finish everything, and we cannot waste food here." So that was the notion from the wedding,
That's
not to
such an
waste
impact.
food.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, definitely. I think all of my cousins, I mean, it went down to, I mean, small brothers and even my grandfather and everyone. So that kind of a generational change, if you bring, then that is something that you've done in the right way. Because सबसे ज़्यादा difficult वो larger और smaller
Small.
age group में होता है क्योंकि एक को बहुत ज्यादा अंडरस्टैंडिंग है और दूसरों को है ही नहीं कि एक्चुअली राइट क्या है सो यू हैव टू एजुकेट बोथ ऑफ
Right. So moving on from here, like now again, the second part of my
देम
last question was like still unanswered. So now, when you look back at your wedding, it's been 1.5 years. So what are the takeaways? Still look back and smile around ki, "Arey, like we managed to pull it off. Thankfully everything went well. There are certain do's and don'ts. So I know, like the way you've been explaining, there were lots of planning being done days in advance. So now when you look back, what are those takeaways you would like to share with people who are planning their wedding in such a way?
Firstly, I would say take time to plan, uh, because it will not happen overnight.
Planning
Uh,
is the key.
Planning is the key because the number of events, the time of event, the date of event, everything will have a larger impact. Like we had the wedding in December, so we won't need any air conditioning at all, even if we had it on the open ground. And even in the hotels, because I used to ask the hotel manager कि कितना इसका आपका consumption है, मेरे को बताओ because I have to offset this. So then they were like कि साहब AC नहीं चालू किया है आज लोगों ने. So I was really happy that we chose the right time, and people were already cautious about it. Do you remember anything else?
Number of events, like basically
Yeah.
that has a lot of impact on the wedding thing. So when we plan the events, we have got so many events that at the end of actual wedding day, we are so tired that we are not able to enjoy the wedding. So when I look back, I'm happy that I was happy on my day of wedding, enjoying my wedding because I was not tired the day before. So we just had two events.
Yeah.
That's it. One at my end and one at Jian's end, that was separate, and together we just had two events.
And even
Followed by
time,
the
time between the actual nikah
wedding
and the
ceremony.
reception.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have wedding on one day and reception on the other, or probably at the night.
Yes,
So
they generally do that. They generally keep
yeah.
that 1 day of gap.
Yeah, one day or probably in the morning you have the wedding and in the night you have the reception. So number of outfits that you also have to buy go double.
Right.
So we said that we don't want to have that. Rather, let's have the reception straight away after the wedding, because our nikah does not last more than an hour. Not more than an hour with everything done. So we said we have that opportunity. We don't need to change our dresses. It's more with women to do that change. But she said she's completely okay with it.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just
We just
directly
had
went from
reception followed by nikah, like within an hour or two. That's it.
Okay.
So it was not only for us for the outfits, but also for the
all the people,
yes,
because
who
they
come
would
for the
want to change that as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was, I think, one of the memories.
So that brings me to the last question of the podcast. So, like in all good weddings, there's some fufaji or mosaji who's never happy, which always they'll find a way ki, "Arey dal mein namak kam reh gaya." So, tell us something about those characters in your wedding.
I think we did not have any kind of that characters. Rather, when we explained the idea, there were more people coming up like Fufaji is what you said. कि अपन ऐसा भी तो कर सकते हैं. Why not do it this way?
No, they were happy about certain things.
So they started putting ideas to you guys.
Yes, I remember the when Jian had planted 100 trees and we had the idea of gifting uh, uh, trees and plants. My grandfather suggested, why not give this? There is a fruit called ramphal, if you have heard of it. So that is very native from the Nagpur region or the Maharashtra region. So my grandfather suggested, let's give this gift so that they can grow. So it was really surprising for me because almost 200, including 120 kind of trees and rest the indoor plants.
Yeah, and I think ऐसा food की complaint तो नहीं आई थी, but rather the food that we saved, everyone wanted to have that once the wedding got over and the after party kind of a thing happened at my house. So there were at least 30 to 35 people who were closely involved in making the wedding happen. My dads and mom's friends and everyone. So they were excited कि वो शादी में वो खाना था ना जो बचा था वो आज खाने वाले, and they were excited कि कब बुला रहे हमको खाने के लिए.
क्या बात है?
Because we had frozen those things from that day itself, कि ये जब हम वापस मिलेंगे probably at that time we'll have this, and so everyone was actually waiting कि ये तब मिलने वाला है. So I mean that is something that you take. I mean खाने की complaint तो I mean see people will say कि salt थोड़ा कम था या ज़्यादा था. So I don't take it on my mind कि ठीक है अभी उसको लगता है उसका personal opinion है. But what they took from the entire event is something that I'm more considerate about.
And when it comes to wedding, we always have that thing कि wedding है तो खाना तो अच्छा चाहिए ही,
हाँ.
kind of thing.
हाँ.
So we were
But
always
when we go to someone's wedding, we don't remember the kind of thing that was
Yeah.
around, but we always remember the food कि इसकी शादी में तो अच्छा खाया था,
Yes.
इसकी शादी में
Yeah.
इतनी variety. But with our wedding, it was the food as well as the concept that people remember. So we are
Yeah.
happy about that. That people remember
Right.
the wedding more than the food.
Yeah, exactly. And we have that imprint that I don't know. I mean, I got lucky with finding people with whom I could collaborate in planting the trees, because it so happened that I just met them in the evening, and the next morning we were having a plantation. And I was searching for that for more than 10-15 days of finding place where I can plant, because I did not have any much space that I could plant 100 or 200 trees. So उनके साथ tie up भी हो गया. And I think when you want to do things which I mean good things, it comes to you. You
Right.
just need to start thinking in that direction, and probably nature brings it to you, kind of a thing. So yeah, I mean
True.
that
True.
also happened.
It's just that
Yeah.
you have to ask, and everything will be given to you. That's what's
The
happened.
law of attraction
We kept
follows.
on,
So
yeah,
Yeah.
you
we kept
guys
on
also
asking
believe
for,
that destiny has a bigger role to play in your wedding as well. Like you plan everything and everything went according to the plan.
Yeah.
Like you just ask for things to happen in a right way and it happened. So it
Yeah.
was part of destiny as well.
yeah.
Definitely.
And we are really thankful and grateful for the people around us that helped a lot for this
Yeah.
wedding to happen.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you so much,
Alifia
sir.
and Gian, it has been such a pleasure talking to you guys, listening to your marriage story, wedding story, and I can go on and on. But like all good
Yeah.
things in life, this podcast I also had to come to an end. So we would love to hear from you, maybe in person when this pandemic is over.
Sure, sure.
But just like the concept of your wedding, we will also like to keep it less is more. Same at the
Yeah,
duration
yeah.
of this episode. So I'll also be tagging Gian's and Alifia's social media handles below this podcast. So guys, whoever is listening to it, please go and follow them, talk to them. If you want to plan your wedding in such a way, they are always. I think they'll be more than happy to share their feedbacks and their knowledge. So
Definitely.
thank you guys. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you so much for sharing your happiness with us.